Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Notion to the Cloud AI. So guys, if you want to connect the Notion to the Cloud AI, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go to the option of, first here you go back, like I am on the main screen of the cloud. Then here you see the option of customize. Okay, so first you click on it. Then guys, you simply go for connect your app. Just click it once. After that, here you see the option of Notion. If you find the application is not showing here, so you use the search option. Okay, then guys, here you simply add it, and it asks to relaunch the tab and complete the sign in to work. Okay, so now here I am choose my mail. This is my mail that I am already create the Notion account, so that's why it's directly logged in. If you're facing the issue, so guys, you also first you create the account in Notion, then you try to connect. Okay, now connect with the Notion MCP, grant cloud access to that. Okay, now guys, here you see the Notion is connected. Now you simply go for the prompt, and here you enter give some data about my Notion, and please give the summary of the Notion of this page, like that. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can done and use. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.